Hello and welcome to LabVIEW Advantage. We are continuing with the Certified LabVIEW Developer Recertification Sample Questions and Answers videos. Please pause the video if necessary and scroll if necessary, then resume. Let's begin. The question says, which of the following is a valid custom error code range? So in LabVIEW, apart from the error code generated from different APIs, different functions, different code in from your IDE, you can also create the custom code range. These are the different custom code range you can actually use to represent the error that is generated from your code. So if you look, our answer is going to be C, 5000 to 9999. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next CLDR question. Please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified for new LabVIEW videos.